Look, one subtle indication of wealth is a refrigerator in the garage. I'm telling you, I've seen too many homes. I know how this shit works now. A refrigerator in the garage means wealth.
So bro said a sign of wealth is having a refrigerator in your garage. As you can see, this is the garage. We got the squad, we got the wagon. But the sign of wealth is having a refrigerator. But this is the freezer. I don't know if it's the same because I don't see wealth when I look in here. I see hunger. Nigga, I'm out here hungry. All I got is a bag of ice. This ain't wealth. This shit is hunger.